Okay guys, so this is what it's like here in Caroni. And this is one of the channels here that takes you out to the sea where you could do some great fishing. Just look at this place. There's a lot of crabs in this area as well. And not forgetting oysters. You wouldn't see much birds now. You have to come early in the morning or a little later on in the day. It's only 2:31. It's like after 4 and thing around there. Tommy sleeping, yes? Now, this is a very good example of how netted those mangrove roots can get. Okay guys, till the next one.